Today I'm going to show how to assemble the xTool Smart Press platform and how to attach the press. Hello, I'm Katie from thecraftyblogStalker.com, and if you're new to my channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button. These are the pieces to the xTool Smart Press platform. These are only the platform pieces. The press itself is sold separately, but I am going to show you how to attach that once we get these pieces assembled. And I do want to point out how much I love this, how well everything is labeled, and the instruction manual has real pictures to follow as well. That is super handy. I'm going to start with the M5 12 bolts, and I only need 2, but there are 3. We're going to attach our feet to the bottom of our platform, and these go in like that. So I'm just going to screw those in using my 4mm hex key. I'm going to secure this leg as well. Turn that over. For the next step, I'm going to use the M5x14 bolts with the 4mm hex tool. This time we only need 2. Again, there are 3. This goes into the hole. Then this arm goes into the hole, and I'm going to turn this on its side. Here, I'll show it first on its back. There are 2 holes right here, and that is where we are going to attach the arm with those M5x14 bolts. The instructions say to lay it like that. So the legs are up in the air. I can kind of see where those holes are. So I'm just going to line those up a little bit better. Take my bolt and screw that into the hole. Righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. And you can feel when that bolt grabs that other piece. And we're just going to tighten it down. Add our second bolt. Got that tightened down. Lift this up, and there is our platform that we can move around. It has this dial here on the back where we can lower and raise that press as we need. I have raised it as high as it will go to attach our press. This is the xTool Smart Press, and the really cool thing about the xTool Smart Press is you can use it by itself. It's got handles, and it has a little dial to set temperature and time that connects with the cord. So you can use it by itself, or you can connect it to the Smart Press platform and use it a little bit more hands-free. That is awesome that you can really use it however works best for you. To attach the press to the platform, we need to install this connection block. To do that, we just need to take out that center block, just push on one corner and lift it up, and then we're going to screw this piece onto our press. We need 4 bolts and our 3mm hex tool. Just screw those in. Easy peasy. This press may look daunting to assemble, but it's really pretty quick. I'm going to move this to the side and pull our platform in. On this connection block, there are lips on each side, and then there's a groove in the bottom of this main piece. Slides and it even locks, and then it won't come out. We can use the press however we want, and we don't need the resting dock when we are using the platform. That is really, really cool. Of course, you can adjust the pressure with this little knob. We have a power cord to give the heat press some power, and we plug it into the back of the heat press. We've got our control station here, which is wireless. I think it's really cool that it is wireless, and then you can just charge it with a USB cord that they provide. Then we have this little gray transfuser, and that goes into the back of the press, and that is what connects the control to this heat press. To pair them, I've got my control off, and I'm going to push in on that receiver for 3 seconds until it starts to blink. It's blinking, and now I can turn on my control. I'm going to hold this button, this circle button, down for 3 seconds. Now they are linked. See that little square there in the corner? That means they are linked. I can set temperature and timer however I want, and even set some favorites. We have a press mat that fits perfectly on that platform as well, and you can use the heat press mat without the platform, just the heat press too. Isn't that so cool? I love the use of putting 2 together, but also being able to separate them. If you want more fun craft tutorials, make sure to check out my website, thecraftyblogStalker.com. Thanks everyone. Bye, and happy crafting!